Samsung Galaxy Note 9 hands-on video leak. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 hands-on video has been posted on Vimeo by the user Fares Azizo. Just as the leaked renders of the upcoming flagship had shown, the Galaxy Note 9 will not be very different from the Galaxy Note 8 in terms of design. The front of the smartphone will be dominated by a dual-curved Super AMOLED Infinity display, while on the back we see a horizontally stacked dual-lens camera setup. Next to the dual camera setup, we see an LED flash module. Placed below the camera setup is a fingerprint sensor. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 rumored specifications and features. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is rumored to sport a large 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Infinity display with Quad HD Plus resolution and an 18.59 aspect ratio. Powering the Galaxy Note 9 will be the Samsung Exynos 9810 chipset in most markets including India, while in the US it could run on Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset under the hood. In terms of memory, the Galaxy Note 9 is expected to include the same 6GB of RAM as its predecessors and up to 256GB of internal storage. A 512GB of storage variant is likely to be available as well, although only in South Korea. Further expansion is expected to be supported as well, although it is not expected to come with a dedicated microSD card slot. In the camera department, the Galaxy Note 9 is expected to support a 12MP plus 12MP dual camera setup on the back and an 8MP selfie snapper on the front. While key specifications have not been leaked yet, rumors do suggest the Galaxy Note 9 will be a significant upgrade over the Galaxy Note 8 in terms of battery life. The Galaxy Note 9 is rumored to pack a large 4000 mAh capacity battery with wired as well as wireless fast charging support. In terms of software, we can expect the Galaxy Note 9 to ship with Android 8.1 Oreo operating system out of the box and the latest version of Samsung's custom Android skin running on top. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 launch date. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will be announced at Samsung's Unpacked event to be held at Barclays Center in Brooklyn, New York on August 9. Along with the Galaxy Note 9, a recent report has claimed that the Samsung also debuted the Galaxy Watch, its first smartwatch under the Galaxy brand. The Galaxy Note 9 is expected to be available for pre-order from August 14, while sales are set to begin August 24th onwards.